my name is Jérôme Havre. I will tell you a little bit story before to start. In fact, I was born and raised in France. And in fact, before 24 years old, I didn't ask me anything about constantly about racial questions. I didn't have, and I was thinking at me like a French without necessarily the question about my roots, the Martinique. And in fact, at 24, this question became really important because I received another message from the country where I was in Spain, and in fact I was attacked by police, and that changed a lot of things in my perception of myself and from people around. So I start to work about it. So in 2009, in fact, in 2009, Andrea Fatona gave me the possibility to show my work in GAO, the Gallery Art of Ontario. Of Ottawa. Sorry. So and to show my work, in fact, I create two parts of work, and I show the first things was a test pattern paint on the wall, and it was to express the idea to change your color or your camel, and inside the room, in fact, I show for the first time my series called Ibid series. Ibid series. I'm not good for that. So. Ibid series. So it's a pieces in textile with how do you call that, nylon stockings, and in fact that represents a human figure with a lot of. The image is short now, but they represent a human figure, hybrid figures with how do you say, links with the nature, with human body, with animals too, and it was for me a possibility to show my hybridity. When I say hybridity, it's where I come from. And Martinique and France, the mix between above, and in this space, in fact, it was how do you say that? Voilà. En fait, ça va être beaucoup plus simple pour moi.
Well, just say the word
in French.
Okay. Say the word in French.
En fait, il s'agit d'installation dans laquelle je présente à la fois sculpture, peinture murale et photographie. Pour moi, finalement, tous ces éléments sont connectés l'un à l'autre et permettent finalement de développer une grammaire. Et dans cette exposition, pour moi, il était important que l'audience puisse saisir en fait finalement mon rapport entre le corps et l'hybridité, donc le rapport finalement à mes différentes cultures, et ensuite finalement l'encadrement, donc la domestication finalement
Okay, so what he's saying is that I was just wondering what the word was in French that you were searching for, but he's saying that it's about the body and liberty and freedom and finding out the separation between finding a grammar to articulate the difference between the physical body and freedom.
Yes, and the freedom, and the pattern for me was an image of the society. The fact we are domesticated in a certain way to learn and to diffuse information and to adapt ourselves to this world. So yeah. So I continue. So that's it's an images of illustrating maybe the story of Frantz Fanon about black. White man. sorry. So you know. It's really complicated for me to translate in the same time, and I feel really shy. So, Contour subjectif was. Vous continuez? Contour subjectif était une installation.
Counter subjectivity was an installation.
Merci. Était une installation présentée finalement à Parkdale durant la Nuit Blanche de Toronto en 2010 et montée par Christophe Regimbald, un commissaire de l'Université de Toronto, pardon.
This is a Nuit Blanche installation in 2010.
That's right. In Parkdale, that's right. And in fact, I show a piece, a sculpture in the middle of a room with 6 screens, représentant des chandeliers.
Representing chandeliers, the lighting.
Yeah, spinning on themselves. And for me, it was the occasion to talk about the colonialism and the result of the revolution, French Revolution. And what does it mean to be a black body in the French Revolution? In fact, how do you call that? The end of revolution doesn't create for the black body, or black person wasn't recognized at the end of the French Revolution. When we did Just Beautiful So, dans les espaces que je présente, en fait, je fais défiler des photographies et des textes qui sont finalement comme des balises de sens. Elles offrent une possibilité d'interpréter, ou enfin de comprendre un peu mieux le travail finalement que je présente.
What he's saying is he uses text as a way
and photography.
And photography is a way of better understanding the work itself, offering that.
That's right.
Text-based language.
That's right. J'utilise un visuel particulier qui est en fait, quand je dis un visuel, le travail de sculpture, en fait, pour revenir à ça, est un travail finalement qui est vraiment documenté. Donc j'utilise en fait pour ce faire des livres d'ethnographie. Donc je passe vraiment du temps à réaliser chacune des pièces et à les documenter au travers finalement de photocopies. Et je donne ce collage en fait, au final, est une composition et un point de vue occidental sur mes propres aspirations, enfin ma propre identité.
He's saying that he uses different works in terms of an ethnography, a language of ethnography, to understand and communicate his own identity. From a Western point of view. Yes.
So in this case, it's necessary for me, for the public understand my point of view, to create words and to show photography. It's so that these texts appear in my work. I did two, how do you call that? Mural painting. Mural painting is the mural painting look like to how do you say meaning a territory, and in this case, in this installation, I show in fact a territory. I was thinking to the sea. In fact, it's a politic territory. So in this photo, you see an installation called Domesticated. Domesticated is an exhibit. I didn't know how to stop that. Okay, Domesticated is an installation. Is an installation I did in Montreal, and It was for me necessary to talk about the fact I didn't find in this world. I don't have the possibility for me to be myself and to. Sorry. Oh là là, je me. So, je vous laisse regarder les images, hein, parce que là.
Conclusion, continuez, ça
voilà. Non, ça va pas. Bon, en conclusion, en fait, le travail est un travail de. Une minute. Est un travail, un process de libération personnelle continuelle. Donc en fait, finalement, je crée et je procède en fait à être plus libre au fur et à mesure. Voilà. Donc ça a du sens. Et je continue néanmoins à vous montrer la suite du travail. Donc cette pièce que vous voyez s'appelle Shelter 1, et elle représente une photographie de zoo. La pièce que vous voyez en fait est une installation présentée à la galerie Donald Brown et elle s'appelle Domesticated. Cette pièce finalement est une pièce présentée cet été, donc au mois d'août, à Chatham-Kent. Et donc présenter trois pièces sculptées sur piédestal avec une bande sonore. Celle-ci finalement est une pièce présentée actuellement au Textile Museum dans le cadre de fiction et légende. Et finalement le principe reste toujours le même, c'est-à-dire balise de sens au travers finalement des photographies et des textes, sculptures et murales. Voilà.